Startup Podcast PH is co-produced by Sprout Solutions, Aperon, Tuala, Simf, Sekuna, Red Circle Global, Maroon Studios, and Aim High. Check out our partners in the description. Welcome sa Startup Podcast PH, inspiring more Filipino entrepreneurs and innovators. Live tayo ngayon dito sa Icebox TBI in Mindanao State University, General Santos, to interview their startup incubatees. We are interviewing Upsell, the easiest way to build your e-commerce online store, and we have its co-founder Alejandro Sacramento. Hello, Alex, kamusta?
Hello, thank you sa pag-imbita and good afternoon sa nanonood dyan. Please subscribe more on Startup Podcast.
Ayun, thank you. Simula ng ating episode na we're inviting subscribers. But I know, sir, I'm very excited actually to learn about Upsell. I think I have an idea nga na the term upsell now is parang mayroon siyang meaning pero
Yes.
as we've introduced it, it's the easiest way to build your e-commerce online store. But I'll have you tell more what really is upsell. So, Sir Alex, ano nga ba ang upsell?
So, ang Upsell is hindi lamang siya user-friendly e-commerce platform or it's empowering Filipino entrepreneurs na they can launch their online store effortlessly with no coding skills required. So they can only simply sign up, then they can have their own online store launch talaga online agad. So kahit without AI pa, so automatically pag-register nila meron na silang online store. So upsell then is to help them more upselling and cross-selling talaga na strategize to their store so that they can sell more or upsell more.
Ayun.
Something like that.
Sige, i-ano lang natin yung upsell, no? Kasi actually upsell, yun yung term sa mga sales people na parang basically to sell more, to sell a higher end na product or to sell more product or service, di ba? Parang selling more. So I think yun din yung goal nyo for businesses to sell more.
Yeah, that's the main of the solution that we solve.
But ano bang, just to get a picture, ano bang mga business usually ito na parang, or that you're helping that na will really benefit from having an e-commerce online store in the easiest way possible?
Okay, kasi ganito, before kasi na-build namin ng Upsell, so the story behind is we have a digital marketing agency during pandemic, and kumbaga it's very coincidence lang din na most of our clients talaga is really into online business and e-commerce. Then sorry, pakibalik sa question.
Parang what type of businesses? Kunyari, mga food ba, mga clothes ba, mga whatever, electronics ba? So yung possible na mag-benefit here.
Actually, any retail business or even though resellers or online sellers talaga, kahit yung mga white labels din ng mga or agencies, sila talaga yung makaka-benefit talaga. So, hindi lang nag-focus sa isa.
And I believe this started nga sa inyong digital marketing agency, tama ba? Doon nyo ba nakuha yung parang idea to build this?
Yes. Kasi even though hindi pa talaga totally pandemic, di mabot yung pandemic, is most of the customer kasi namin is dumadami sila, and then the problem is repeating technical issues and maintenance. So instead na maka-upsell sila talaga, is the challenge for them is they spend more to hire developers or designers to maintain their store, and aside from that, the subscription, diba? Like from malalaking brands sa e-commerce na may mga subscription based talaga. So hindi lang sa platform alone, but dun din sa mga yung tinatawag natin na mga plugins or mga other add-ons na mga para maging live yung website upselling mo, parang ganun. So yun.
Okay, sige, siguro sir, i-define natin si Upsell. Ano ba yung parang edge niya behind other online store builders? Kasi parang, and ang gusto ko ilatag dito is, ano ba talaga yung parang problem for the retail businesses that you really want to solve for them? Is it like the price ba, para mas pakamura sila?
the ease of use, the capability to sell more? So ano ba yung pinapresent nyo really for upsell as an e-commerce online store builder na wala or better kaysa sa iba?
Okay, first is the e-commerce kasi is booming, and then the first problem din na na-encounter nila is they will spend more money to hire developers and designers to build and design their very expensive online store. Then is instead of they can profit more, so the subscription base and the maintenance of the online store that they build is it's really more expensive. And then third is it takes longer time to launch their online store talaga, so grabe yung spend talaga ng money doon, so very excessive. Then the other side of the problem is they tend to choose na lang sa marketplace, even though they know that they cannot cannot brand their own brands
You
talaga.
mean sa Facebook Marketplace, mga ganun?
Like sa mga ano din, like mga Lazada or Shopee.
Okay, Shopee.
So and then
Carousel.
Carousel ganun, or Order Basket, mga ganun. So like sorry, di pala siya e-commerce marketplace yung Order Basket. So yung dalawa na yun. So like hindi talaga sa maka-build ng brand. Then yung ang isa doon challenge nila is may commission doon yung yung marketplace na yun, mas malaki, tapos hindi talaga din agad sila maka-rolling sa kanilang money na kumbaga yung mga na-earn nila doon, they should wait at least 1 month before nila makuha talaga yun, yung sales nila. So yun yung pinaka din nila. So kasi syempre mas mahal kasi magpa-build so doon na lang sa marketplace, kahit alam nila ganun yung challenge doon, so hindi talaga sila maka-scale up at saka maka-upsell more.
Okay, gets. So parang may two sides kina Shopee, Lazada, or yung sa mga sikat na mga marketplace, it's easy and malaki yung reach, pero ang laki ng cost. Then if gagawa ka naman ng sarili mo, or pwedeng customize nga on your own, well, mahal din yung cost, pero baka hindi ganun ka dali pa i-set up, tsaka kulang sa reach. So gusto nyong i-solve both ways. Actually, tatlo yan mas mura, madali i-set up, tsaka may reach.
Yes, yun to talaga.
Tsaka yung cash flow nga rin, may kasama na yun sa money handling. So yung tatlo, parang affordable, madali gamitin, madali i-customize, tsaka makaka-mag-market ka talaga. Kasi that's correct for digital marketing, and I believe ka rin to sa inyong experience sa digital marketing, beyond marketing, beyond getting leads, ang gusto nyo rin is maging smooth or maging frictionless, yung parang if there's someone who want to buy, may na-attract ka na, may na-marketan ka na, yung parang they call this the sales funnel may na-attractan ka na, paano na siya ngayon bibili, diba? So you want to make that very easy. That's why you're advocating online stores. Pero ngayon, ang problem is, ang mga online stores, minsan, either mahal or mahirap gawin. So, you want to change that. Tama ba yun?
Yes, yun talaga yung goal talaga.
Ayun. So, that's upsell, So, you really want to help those retail businesses. Kasi usually, ito yung mga small ito na parang sayang din kung hindi nila masagad yung possible potential nila nakita
Oo.
Na sana sa kanila talaga.
And before ko makalimutan is talagang pinaka-solve dito is to eliminate and to simplify the technical aspect barriers talaga, gap sa technology through e-commerce. Kasi yun yung mahirap kasi kahit gaano pa kasi kaboom yung business mo, kung hindi mo ma-maximize through online store, so mahirap kasi. And mahal din talaga magpa-build.
So, ideally dito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-hire ng developer, no?
Yes,
You do it yourself, and madali siyang aralin.
Yes.
Ayun. Sige, so can we know more about upsell? Paano nga ba siya ginagamit? So, if I have a business, let's say, I sell cookies, or let's say, wag cookies, wag consumable. Let's say, I sell clothes, or maybe mga bracelets, ganyan, for example. And then, I want to build a store, So, paano ba mangyayari?
Okay, through upsell, no? So, simple lang, pag-register mo through your email. So, you have your own store talaga din. And you can customize naman. So, any niche naman pwede actually. So, you can design your own using our platform. And then meron kaming freemium plan model na like so that you can experience the power of upsell through basic plan. Then if you want to scale more, so may premium naman din.
Ano difference no free sa premium? The
So,
number of items ba?
Yes, of course, the number of items. And sa premium din kasi, makagamit mo yung courier services talaga.
Oh.
And they can store pick up.
Oh, okay. As in, if a buyer wants to buy, connected na kay courier. Ganun.
Yes. Maka-choose ka rin kung anong courier yung mapipili. Pati yung buyer, maka-choose siya saan yung mas mura dun.
How about yung ano? Kasi you said, di ba, na this is easy to use and you don't developer na. So, paano siya? I mean, parang meron na templates, ano? Tama ba? Parang may templates
Yes, meron
na
namang
store.
templates. Meron ding pwede mo i-customize. So,
Ano yung tsura niya? Parang medyo kamukha rin ba ng nila parang Instagram, ganyan? Or ano yung parang itsura nung store na mangyayari?
actually, similar din sa yung pag magamit tayo ng mga Shopify or WooCommerce na mga ganun brand.
Okay.
Na meron ka talagang store na ganun din yung setup yung dating. So, ang pinagkaiba lang kasi kay Upsell is wala ka na masyadong bibili ng theme or template mo para sa design mo. So, ikaw, kumbaga built-in na doon na ikaw na lahat mag-uploads. And kumbaga switch on mo na lang lahat yung mga button doon. Instead na ikaw pa yung manual mag-setup talaga sa mga kailangan mo doon.
Yeah, so maybe parang may default na very usable na, and if you want to customize a bit, madali na rin yung customization. Kasi that's true, minsan mahirap mag-customize eh.
Yes.
And mangyayari, pangit yung store mo, hindi siya attractive tignan sa mga ano. But artists naisip ko lang sa mga marketplace apps nga, like sila Shopee, may search eh. Or ito ba, parang store talaga siya na standalone, online store siya na standalone. Hindi yung parang, wala siyang parang marketplace na if I want to search, pwede ako mag-search kay Upsell, na kunyari I want to search bracelets, search ko. Pwede ba search kay Upsell or talagang kanya-kanyang siya?
Si Upsell kasi is you can create your online store. Hindi kasi siya marketplace. So you can create an online store.
It's a website builder basically.
Oh, yeah. Ano siya, first drag and drop and website store builder in the Philippines. Yung platform.
And no code nga siya So parang rin, you can have your own domain. Kumbaga your own website domain, your own website name. Or meron din ba kayong domain? Kasi I think yung iba parang kunyari, upsell.startuppodcastph.com. Di ba? Ganun yung iba eh.
Yes, pag free ka pa, so naka-subdomain ka sa Upsell. So, pero pag mag-premium plan ka na, so
have your own domain.
You can have your own domain. And nandun na lang kasi naka-integrate na lahat. So, ang gagawin mo na talaga is to click. So, few clicks. So, para maka-create ka ng sarili mong domain, even though sa payments mo rin, ma-integrate, madali na lang talaga.
Meron mo kayong special, kasi I think another thing is the UX, user experience or UI. So meron ba kayong special touch dito in the user interface for on the side of the naman? So I think very easy na nga for if you want to build a website, an online store. Pero for the buyers, for the market, for the consumers, parang meron bang special touch in the websites or in the online stores that you create for the businesses para mas magandang interface, mas attractive sa mata ng mga buyers?
Yes, si Upsell naman kasi is both desktop and mobile friendly naman talaga. Even though kahit wala pa kaming mobile app, kasi yun yung namin ngayon ginagawa. So, yeah. Because ang designer kasi namin, aside sa siyang CTO, very talaga sa design, very perfectionist. Siya talaga kasi yung architect, and syempre because sa experience din namin sa e-commerce na mga platform namin. So, yun, even though wala pang mobile app, so it's both friendly na sa desktop and mobile.
Actually, I'm interested to see. Hindi ko pa nakita yung mga stores na pero I mean, maybe you can, meron ba tayong link na pwedeng, para baka may nakikinig na gusto mag-view or maybe you can share na lang the website. May website na ba kayo for Upsell or how do you?
Yes, meron na kaming website sa Upsell. So, upsell.ph.
Ayun, sige. So, I think meron naman kayo mga sample doon, Or...
Wala namin nalagay doon. Nalagay na namin sa portfolio namin dito sa presentation. Okay, pero we can give you naman some of the details of sa mga store namin na mga users.
Kapag ako kasi, kung mamimili ako kasi let's admit it, marami dyang e-commerce store builders, di ba? And kung mamimili ako, tama yun yung mga choices ko. Una, yung maganda sa mata, yung kalalabasan ng website ko. I think that's priority number 1, di ba? Second is actually mura. Mura. And third is true, yung madali i-set up.
Yes.
Well, actually, mahalaga din naman yung reach. Yung reach hindi gaano kasi those are for marketplaces eh. Kasi ang online store basically, para siyang landing page, para siyang page where you will lead yung mga minamarketan nyo, di ba? Yun yung parang portal or platform where they can buy eh. So, I think your reach is not part of this talaga eh, ano. Pero yun nga, for me, ang mahalaga is maganda tignan, kumbaga, minamarketan ako, gusto ko, pag-click nila dun sa link, smooth yung experience for them to browse, to find what they want, and to buy and check out and get their product, di ba? I want a good experience for ano eh. So, ayun. So, I mean, I'm saying this para yung mga nakikinig, para may sample sila na makita sa inyo.
So yun, meron din kasing feature si Upsell na like, to US bonus scam din is, pag mag-purchase kasi si customer din ng product nyo, so may, kung saan pag umabot na siya ng 1K above or 3K above something, or kahit sa ilang kilogram yun, is meron naman doon yung initial fee to make sure na kahit maibalik yun ni customer, hindi ka lugi doon sa ano din, sa logistic fee, kumbaga. So may option din na ganun. And ang pinaka the best din is kahit wala ka pa talaga din online store, I mean physical store, kahit sa bahay ka lang, so the courier will go to store pick up talaga kung saan yung business address mo na niregister.
Oh, wow. But these are actually specifics eh, no? ng mga, kumbaga, how the handling of e-commerce stores are done. That's true. Logistics is actually a big part pa here. Kasi pwedeng iba-iba ng pagkagalingan yung mga binibenta mo.
Yeah, so pwede talaga.
So, yeah. So, tama nga rin ito na ano to eh. Kasi that's true eh. Some online store builders are not fit talaga sa kung paano ba nag-work ang Philippine negosyo. And ayun, 'di ba? Hindi ganoon ka-friendly rin sa mga SME, sa mga small businesses. So I think since you really have the experience and the knowledge on how small or maybe medium e-commerce stores happen, so you really fit this for them, no?
Tsaka naka-localize talaga na like they can sell more and then they can run smoothly talaga din na without kumbaga may peace of mind sila.
Iwan mo na dyan. At saka curious lang ako, no, kasi upsell eh. Baka meron din feature sa websites na gagawin na upsell. Kumbaga pag clinic mo yung bibilihin mo, malilid ka sa something more or something. Or parang may mga...
yung upsell at cross-selling. Meron din talaga.
Oh, okay.
Ang maganda rin ka, may feature din siya na like yung design ng website mo at yung parang other sales pop-up doon na lumalabas is may feature din siya na seasonal, like Christmas ba, Valentine, so pila ka rin makasend gifts. May mga ganun.
Oh, I see yun. Ito yung mga gusto natin sa mga localized na mga At saka tama yun, no, na I think it's time din na mga Filipino businesses or mga Filipinos. Well, siguro before kasi, kaya lang hindi tayo ganun pa nag-patronize ng mga sariling atin kasi mas maganda naman talaga. Pero dadating naman yung time na like with upsell, with these kind of startups nga, mas maaakma at mas magaganda at mas affordable at mas madali gamitin yung mga ganitong website builders for Filipino businesses. So, we just need time and development, but I think dadating tayo sa time na yan na sariling atin ang ginagamit natin.
True. Kasi yun nga din eh, si Upsell din kasi inspired and similar talaga din sa mga foreign e-commerce. Pinag-combine talaga lahat yung
that's good. Feature. Combining getting the best in all worlds. In all e-commerce store builders.
So kumbaga, actually pinaka-inspire kasi talaga namin si Shopify. So naisip din ng founder namin, like as founders, na naisip namin na why not we will make our own e-commerce platform here in the Philippines. Like meron naman kasi din talaga, meron na like, pero drag and drop lang. So, ang gusto namin nangyari is, talaga dapat drag and drop and e-commerce web store builder talaga.
Yes.
Is payroll processing taking too much of your time? Introducing Sprout Payroll Starter. For as low as 5,000 pesos per month, you get a team of experts to help you with your payroll and HR needs. We'll help compute and process payroll, handle all your government compliance requirements, and automate timekeeping. leave the payroll to us so you can focus on growing your business. Enjoy peace of mind with Sprout Payroll Starter. Trust the digital future with Twala. Secure and tamper-proof digital signature. Electronic notarization service. And custom AI agents for intelligent document workflows. Visit twala.io to learn more. In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them. And launch your products seamlessly with Sukuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
Running a business? Make it smarter with Red Circle Global. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and manage everything in one powerful ERP system. Book your free business demo today at redcircleglobal.com, guided by one of our top experts.
Ayun. Sige, so pag-usapan naman natin yung story and yung founder, ano. So, ano bang background ni Upsell? Paano nga nag-start itong idea talaga na ito? And maybe you can share more of your backgrounds.
Okay, so first is the architect of Upsell kasi is yung brother ko, si Raymond Sacramento. And then, yun nga, way back, we have a digital marketing agency. And then, the very challenge part dun is dumadami yung customer namin na more on e-commerce. Kahit hindi naman na-expect. Kasi ang goal lang talaga namin is more on business website lang talaga yung kikater namin. Aside sa online marketing or like mga digital marketing
services. So, website developer na talaga kayo?
Yes. And then, nagkataon talaga na more on e-commerce. Then, yung pandemic, puro na sila e-commerce. Tapos, parang ang hirap na namin i-solve na ibang platform. Iba-iba kasi yung platform na ginagamit nila.
So, you're scaling this actually na parang meron ka lang isang product but padami makagamit.
Oo. So, yun yung ding na naging challenge namin kasi for example, na-fix na namin yung issue dun sa isa naming client.
Gets.
Siyempre, nag-upgrade, nagme-maintenance din yung platform na ginagamit nila. So, it takes them to spend more money to another payment na naman. Another buy naman to fix it. So, and syempre dumami. Tapos ilan lang kami. So, hindi na namin kaya i-cater. So, napag-isipan din namin na like, okay, gumawa na yung sarili natin para mas kontrolado natin.
Galing.
Lahat ng mga features na na-encounter natin or mga issues is i-combine natin. So, yun, namin si Upsell talaga, pinagplanuhan, tsaka, ayun, ni-launch.
That's nice, yeah, kasi hindi siya sa startup story. Actually, ito yung good startup stories na you're actually you're a software or website development company somehow and then ayun nga your product kaysa parang gawin niyo siya for isa-isang client, gawa kayo ng parang centralized product na pwedeng i-customize and pwede naman magamit ng iba-iba and then actually mas makakamura yung mga sila dun, di ba?
True.
So it's actually win-win for everyone kasi you're scaling your service and your product. Parang ito kay software as a service. So, si Upsell now becomes one software that's not like a tailored fit product for each client but as a service that can be subscribed to and magagamit ng maraming mga potential clients.
Yes, that's true. True.
Okay. Then now, andito tayo ngayon sa Icebox TBI. So, paano nga ba kayo napunta kay Icebox?
After the competition last year sa regional startup dito sa Jensen, handled by the UST SOC Second SOCs pala.
Yes.
So they invite us to magpa-incubate. And ayun, hindi naman kami nagdalawang isip talaga to magpa-incubate kasi tatlo lang kasi talaga kami
sa team ninyo.
Tatlo na lang kami sa team namin. So we need mentors then. So joining Icebox is very transformative then kasi yung mentorship and support din nila kung ano yung pwede pa naming gawin or ma-innovate or ma-upgrade sa platform namin.
Yeah. At saka kasi yung binibuild nyo now is it's actually an innovation. Although medyo medyo, I mean, it's something advanced, yung e-commerce store builder. Pero, to be honest, marami ng ganyan somehow eh. Pero yung ginagawa niya is actually something special and base eh. And this is really an innovation. That's why you need mentors. Kasi aside from like the previous website development company that you've been doing, medyo iba yung approach sa mga ganitong bagay na you're scaling your product and you're building, you're building software as a service eh. So somehow iba yung mga, kumbaga may specific mindsets na iba sa traditional, well, not traditional, pero yung website development nga, na makukuha nyo and maa-apply ninyo,
Yes, kumbaga, something special and yung talagang matatawag na premium.
Premium
dating.
And by the way, ano palang background sa inyo? So, do you have background in software development, IT, and saan ba kayo nag-aral?
Okay, first sa CEO namin, yung brother ko is, he graduated in Ramon Magsaysay College here in Jensen. So, IT background siya.
IT.
And siya talaga yung nag-build kay Upsell 95%. Siya lang talaga nag-code and nag-design. So, from back-end to front-end and sa engineering. Then, sa akin naman na part is, sa IT din ako, but I graduated in psychology major.
Oh.
So, and ang experience ko kasi
Kasi dito sa MSU?
Hindi.
Oh, okay.
So, iba-ibang school.
Okay.
So, I graduated from Brokenshire College, Software Gen here in Jensen. But I also graduated in our Adventist College of Technology in my tech voc course sa IT sa Tupi. So, before ako na-proceed ng psych major. So, yung background ko rin kasi is sa HR. So, kaya may mga user acquisition and talent acquisition. Then, sa behavior talaga din ng e-commerce and research.
Oh, sakto pala psych din, Marketing din kasi yun eh, di ba? Consumer behavior, mga ganun.
Yes. And before din na-launch kasi sa Upsell, so kasi yun nga, di ba, may digital marketing agency kami. So, yung services ko rin kasi na in-offer, namin na in-offer. So, doon ako doon sa digital marketing services.
Marketing, I see.
So, from Facebook, Google Ads, and like all related sa Google, ganun. And then, yung isa naman namin is si Kling Alinsinorin. So, he has great experience talaga and exceptional communication skills. He has been, talaga yung TSR and CSR sa BPO industry. So, kumbaga nag-match talaga yung mga skill set namin. Para din balance kasi para din sa mga users namin, they feel heard and supported talaga.
Kasi sakto nga sa inyo tatlo yung hacker, hipster, tsaka hustler. Alam mo ba yun? Yung parang tech guy, business guy, and like the creative guy. So I think pasok din talaga kayo sa But even nung digital marketing agency pa lang, kayo tatlo na yung magkakasama? Actually, or nung pati nung website development, kayo na yung or
kami, 4 lang kami nung sa digital marketing agency. Wala pa si Kling that time, customer success namin. Dumating siya nung gusto na namin buuin si Upsell.
Yung startup na
Kasi sakto din, napunta siya sa amin. Mag-churchmate lang din kasi kami actually.
Okay.
During pandemic din kasi, napunta siya sa amin sa bahay. So doon na lang siya nag-stay while may online job siya. VA siya na call center, ganun agent.
So, for foreign clients ba yan? Okay.
So yun din, timing din kasi yung mga halos makikita niya ng customer, e-commerce din, through mga e-commerce din na mga customers yung issue na kinikater niya. So yun.
At by the way pala, so si Upsell, ang target nyo dito is mga local na mga businesses or even mga foreign businesses or anyone to build online stores here?
Actually, si Upsell is ready siya for global. Pero as of the moment kasi, pinocus muna namin dito sa local. Sa national Philippines. But isa integration na lang, pwede na namin i-market sa global. Pero yun nga, sa stage namin kasi ngayon is nagpa-process pa kami sa funding raise para maano talaga namin ma-achieve namin yung goal.
And yeah, by the way, so how do you plan to get yung mga users, mga paying users? Kasi although meron na kayong mga clients, di ba? So maybe sila muna yung mga clients, yung mga users nyo for pero how do you plan to scale yung or how do you plan to really tap the potential market for Upsell, yung mga e-commerce stores? So how do you plan to market this?
So based sa user feedback namin for 1 year namin na research and development, so mas ma-maximize namin sila pag meron kaming mobile app na ma-develop,
Mobile app.
ma-launch. Yun yung number one.
Kasi doon sila gagawa sa mobile app ng website, no? Mas
Yeah.
madali na rin. Wala anywhere talaga, no?
Talaga para ma-utilize yung customer experience nila. Not only na mobile friendly, aside sa mobile friendly yung website, platform namin, gusto din talaga namin hindi mas ma-develop at mas ma-continuous yung very smooth talaga through mobile app din. And of course, syempre mag-upgrade pa yan dyan kung ano yung pwede, like sinasabi na AI integration or anything na that can help them to parang kumbaga goal kasi namin is an online store in one place talaga.
So basically you will maybe tap yung mga businesses na dito na possibly may online store na pero may challenge ng online store or mga wala pang online store, and
Yes.
tell them na with upsell they can actually sell more.
Yes.
They can use the free muna. They can use the
Yes.
free version muna, and if they want to get more features, they can go to the premium. I think that's the
Yes.
plan, ano?
Yeah, ganun talaga.
Ayun.
Kasi tayo mga Pinoy, tawag nito, gusto muna natin free. So then, later na mag-scale.
That's
pag,
true.
Dumami na.
And I think tama naman. That's the perfect approach. Kasi, kumbaga, yun yung marketing nyo yung free.
Free.
That's actually marketing na they can get the experience to use it, and then if they really want to absorb it, nasanay na sila. So yun yung
Yeah.
ginagamit. And yun nga, marami silang gustong ibenta, ilagay. So they will upgrade.
Introducing Aim High. Smarter construction management starts here. Monitor costs and progress with real-time insights. Plan ahead and adapt with streamlined scheduling tools. Make data-driven decisions to avoid costly delays. Increase efficiency and profit with Aim High.
Ayun. Thank you so much. Last question lang pala. Ano ba ang inyong vision really for upsell? Actually, I have a question Parang, you already have a digital marketing agency. Kumikita naman kayo, di ba? Why did you really do upsell pa? I mean, ano ba yung nakikita nyo dito na future pa talaga? Do you really want to help the businesses? Do you want to earn more then as a business? Ano ba yung parang motivation and yung goal nyo? Maybe in 5 years ba, nakikita nyo na kayo na yung go-to e-commerce online store builder sa Pilipinas maybe?
Okay, yung vision namin is, what keeps us motivate din sa mission vision namin is, to empower talaga the Filipino entrepreneurs or the merchants related in retail business, online selling, or suppliers, even the suppliers, then and anything what we can offer not only through to the Philippines but also in global din, no? And isa din namin gusto mangyari is to foster economy, job creation,
Yes.
and more opportunities pa din talaga upcoming, no?
Okay,
So,
so
yun.
you're playing the role then as activator ng e-commerce, ng business, ng commerce kumbaga sa
Yes.
Pilipinas. And kasi if those retail businesses also grow, yun nga, they will sell more, they will hire more, jobs will be created. And ayun, masasagana ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas na
Yes.
napakalalim
Gusto rin
ng
namin mag-boom. Gusto rin natin mag-boom
Of
yung Pilipinas,
course,
of course,
of course.
'di ba? At saka ayaw din natin magpatalo sa ibang bansa na sila lang may ganung platform. Kaya din natin.
Actually, oo nga. Dapat nga tayo na yung, the Philippines is very good in software development. Actually, di ba, ina-outsource nga sa atin yung mga
Yes.
IT jobs. So, dapat tayo na rin yung nag-export sa ngayon ng mga ganitong mga software, di ba? Yung mga e-commerce store builder and other software. So, I think it's time na magkaroon tayo ng mga Filipino brands na mga software. And I think let's start with Upsell, or at least Upsell will play its role as a
Yes.
proudly Filipino software, diba? That not just Filipinos use, but also Southeast Asians, and anyone in the globe, in the world, diba? That's
Yes.
the dream.
And we are also innovators.
Yes. That's the goal of Startup Podcast PH. Sabi ko nga sa introduction, we are inspiring more Filipino entrepreneurs and innovators. So thank you din kasi at least with Upsell, mas marami mai-inspire pa. So kumbaga, igniting the fire din para lahat pa ay ma-inspire mag-innovate, kumbaga, and
Yes.
mag-create na pwede rin naman natin pagkakitaan, and proud tayo na Filipino-made, Filipino-built, but being used by anyone.
Yes.
Oh, ayun. So, more Filipino innovators. ayun. So thank you so much, Alex, for sharing about Upsell. If our listeners want to know more about you, about Upsell, maybe they want to out na ba so they can use na?
Yes, actually already launched na last year pa.
Oh, wow. Ayun, so launch na si Upsell, and I'll put the link to website sa baba, even yung Facebook page.
Yes.
So I'll put the Facebook page also. So if you want to connect with them, maybe you want to work with them, or maybe you want to be a user free or maybe premium kay Upsell, so feel free to check out upsell.ph.
Yes.
Upsell.ph, and then check out the samples and maybe try their affordable, easy to use e-commerce store builder. Ayun.
Yes, ayun.
Ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much din sa pag-invite, and to learn more Upsell now, so upsell.ph, and we love to give you our regular e-commerce tips and success stories for your online stores. So please subscribe also on Startup Podcast for more information and for more podcast.
Facebook page na meron kayo mga e-commerce tips, mga ganyan.
Pero naman,
Oh, I'll follow you.
kahit din naman sa website namin, may mga blogs din kami doon.
Okay.
So, like from especially in small businesses,
Okay.
using only from social media platforms,
Oh.
and to expand more and to build their own brand.
Mm. Sige, I'll follow you then. And follow din si Upsell sa Facebook. So, ayun, thank you so much, and thank you sa mga nakinig. Salamat.
Salamat, thank you.
Thank you very much to our 59 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLexPH Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certifications on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner. Early stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Hire Business Solutions, provider of the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. Agile Data Solutions, the Philippines' fastest growing market insights tech company with its data gathering platform, HustlePH. SmileChecks, streamline hiring and onboarding with automated background checks. Cloud CFO, cloud accounting service provider for businesses ready to grow. Cloverly Tech, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body Beaties, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. One CFO, CFO services, bookkeeping and tax, and payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Unawa, driving digital transformation with secure, legally enforceable electronic signatures and robust AML compliance. School Tech, all-in-one AI integrated school and learning management system. Better Support, a Manila-based BPO company. They have a referral program for people who can bring in new clients. You might know a Western-based business that needs better support. Britanna, enterprise-grade ERP solution that fits a small and medium business budget. Wonder Brand, data science-driven brand strategy and design for emerging markets. Drive Manila, Philippines' largest peer-to-peer car rental community. East Point Business Outsourcing Services, one-stop shop for streamlined business solutions for MSMEs such as business registration, bookkeeping, and more. Doon, Philippines' first fully insured peer-to-peer car-sharing marketplace. DiviCode Technologies Incorporated, ID solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. Looking for buy and sell online with Sigurado sellers. NutriCoach, personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. This episode is powered by Lablog, Sugbudok, JIA Engineering Solutions, Algacon Aquafeeds, 1ALJ, Grey Wolf Technologies Philippines, Pareto Consulting, Jure.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Wasteless PH, Tech Tribe, Yay, Uplift Codecamp, Board Prep, Dohey Philippines, Edfolio, Hive Rooms, Kazam, CodeCham, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the links in the description.